Hi everybody, and if you're not sure how to translate a point on a graph, if you don't really know what translation means, then this video will help. This is the second in the videos about plotting coordinates. Hi everybody, and we're talking about translation of a point. So, what do we need to translate a point? Well, we need an X and a Y axis, and we need that all labelled up, scaled properly. And we're starting with the point A, which here is at the coordinates 5 and 7. Just remember, if you don't know how to translate a point, then have a look at my how to plot a coordinate video, which will help you do just that. Our question though is, how do we move this point? Well, it's called translation, and we always move left or right first, and then we move up or down. And I'll give an example that will simplify things for you. Firstly, we're going to move 2 right, then we're going to move 2 up. Let's have a go at that. Well, there's my 2 right movement, and I'm labelling that 2R, R for right. And there's my 2 up movement, 2U, 2 for up. And generally what I do is I then give it another label name. So I'm going to call that B. Importantly, 2 words that we need to know. First one is object, and that's my starting point. And my final point where I get to is called image. Okay, let's have a couple of examples then. Again, let's get our scale all labelled up. And we're starting with point P, which is at the coordinates 10 and 2. Remember, this is the object, this is where we're starting from. And I'm going to draw the position of the image of P, i.e. what's going to look like after I've moved it, after a translation of 5 units left and 2 units up. Okay, let's go. Mustn't forget, we're going to label it. In this particular example, we're going to call it Q. So I go 5 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I go up 2. 1, 2, I'm in the right position, and I label that as Q. That's all there is to it. Okay, let's have another example. Again, so now we're going to start with A, which is going to be at the coordinate 3 and 9, and I'm going to draw the position of the image of A after a translation of 5 units right and 7 units down. I'm going to label this point P. Remember, image is where it's going to end up, and the translation is always right or left first, and then up or down. So there's A plotted at the coordinates 3 and 9, and I go 5 right, and then I go 7 down, and that's when I get to the point B. So just remember, we've learned 3 things today. The first one is that the first position is the object, and then it moves to the image, and all of this is called translation, and we always move left and right first, and then up and down to get to our final image position. Hope you enjoyed the video.